Hi, this is Jody from Poppy Winkle, and this is my pop-up book I'm making. It's a nature pop-up book about all the things that are in my backyard, and I'm making it so my little niece and any other little ones that come my way can go through the book with me and find the fun things that are in my backyard, and we can talk about them, and then we can go back into the yard and look for them. So that's my hope for this book, and this is how I organized it. Each signature is a chapter, and so we have plants, animals, birds, miscellaneous, which is like, we have fungus, we have rocks, and I'm going to probably talk about things like migration and hibernation. So that's the miscellaneous. And then insects. So here's a quick thing about tabs. I have these tabs, and when I did my ephemera storage journal, I sort of was doofish and didn't think, hey, that tab could be up at the top. So I just put the tab I put the tab there, thinking then that only 3 could fit on this page. But what I really should have done was put this first tab up and then just cut the top off, right? Like the other one was down. I don't know. I wasn't thinking. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut the top off of here. And then that's what I did on the bottom, right there. And that works better. And then I can fit 5 kind of staggered this way. So I'm learning as I go, as we all do. So the way I space the tabs is I start with the uppermost one, and I'm going to clip this right here because it's driving me crazy. And then I do the bottom one down here. So I do this one first, and then I do this one, and then I just in the center, these 3, I just sort of arrange them without gluing until they sort of looked evenly spaced. And then I glued them one at a time. And then with the labels, I glued them on, and then I Mod Podged over them just very lightly. Very lightly, and so they're not going to go anywhere. They're not going to get ruffled. They're not going to get ragged. They're solid, and that gives them some real good substance too. So that's how I do my tabs, and that's how my journal is set up. And next week we're going to do monarch butterflies.